And I'm back with another easy look without any liquid foundation and no concealer. But this is how it's going to look. My skin routine is done after my shower. You'll find the video in my video section. I'm going to just moisturize my face. Without moisturizing, the makeup doesn't look nice and makeup looks really weird on dry skin. Although it's the festive season, it can get really hot and humid. So I like sticking to a powder foundation and no concealer. If you do require to conceal certain parts of your face, then go for it. But if you basically have clear skin, try makeup like this. As usual, I'm going to stick to some neutral shades. I'm going in for a light brown to contour my upper eyelid. Take it up to your crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, take it further up. Use a soft brush, it becomes easy to blend. Then I'm going to take a shimmer shade and just dab it on with my finger on my upper eyelid. Then take a thin angle brush, which can also be used for the eyebrows if you need to. Take a dark brown and apply it on your outer lower lash line. Because I'm using a dark lipstick, I'm going to keep the eye makeup light and glam. Take a nude kohl of your choice and put it on your lower waterline. This kind of eye makeup also makes the eyes look bigger. The one I'm using is discontinued, but I've captioned another option. Set your eyebrows with a gel so that they stay in place. Use makeup brands of your own choice, just observe the shades and just follow the techniques. Complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. I'm using the Huda Legit Lashes. First use the volume side and then use the curl and length side. If you want to use any mascara of your choice, that's fine. Go for options that say lengthening or curling. If you use a good mascara and in the right way, that itself makes sure that your eyes look lined. My eye makeup is done. I like to prime my lips with a nude lip liner. It makes the lipstick stay longer. Then I'm using a darker lip liner before I use my dark lipstick. Dark lipsticks look better with a lighter eye makeup. It creates a balance, which is why when I do smoky eyes or dark eyes, I do nude lips. I'm not going to be contouring my face, but if you use the blush in this angle, your face will automatically look contoured. These makeup looks can be used throughout the festive season, whether it's Durga Puja, Navratri, Diwali. You will look glamorous yet very natural. I'm going to touch up my powder foundation. It can also be carried in your purse so you can touch up later, and my makeup is done. I'll see you soon with a few more relatable and easy makeup looks. A few looks with a little bit of liquid foundation coming up soon. Take care and have a lovely festive season.